guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making chili chicken, so let's get started. Doesn't this look so yummy? So these are the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. Also, you will need some garlic, but I forgot to mention it. Take an empty bowl and add some chicken pieces in it. Then add some ginger garlic paste, along with some corn flour, with basil and red chili powder, and salt. You can add whatever quantities you want. Then give it all a good mix. So here for the chicken, I took breast, and then I cut them into little pieces because I thought it would look and it would taste good with chili chicken. But you can always choose however you want it to be. Then add some soy sauce. Along with an egg. And stir it all up. Then add some vinegar and mix well. And fry the chicken pieces as shown. So here I took my mom's help because oil isn't safe for kids. So fry them as shown. Now we need to make our sauce. So in a pan, pour some oil. And then add some garlic. Here I cut the garlic into little tiny pieces. And then add some onions and green chili. And stir. After a few seconds of stirring, add some green bell peppers. And mix them. And add some soy sauce, along with some red chili sauce, and some ketchup. Here I took some corn flour and mixed it with water to make the sauce more better by not making it that watery. And then add some onions because it's never enough. And now I added the fried chicken pieces and mixed them. It looks so pretty. And then I garnished them with some green onions, but this is optional. Last but not least, I added some cilantro leaves. And our chili chicken is ready. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe, like, and share. That's all I've got for today. Bye!